What is other storage on Samsung device and how to clear it? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you what is other storage and what does it mean and how you can actually clear it. So other storage basically means that all the data or cache files from your application which has been stored in your device, that is actually the other storage that represents the other storage in your device. So what I want you to do is simply head over to your settings option, and from settings option simply click on this storage. For me this is in device care section. Or you can also access it from here by simply typing on the search button over here. Simply click on storage like this, and once you see click on it, you will see so more option, and as you can see, the other section has taken about like 11.91 GB on my mobile. So to see how much storage each application has taken, simply click on this apps arrow option over here. Simply once you click on it, you will see every single application and how much space they have taken, and you can clear it or uninstall it, the non unnecessary application from here. So that's exactly how you do it. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.